Good morning, Merry Vlogmas. I don't know which day, but whatever. It's like 8:30 in the morning. I literally just woke up and it's looking like it's gonna be an interesting day. Oh my goodness. It's the time of the month, so that is happening. It's not fun, and I still haven't taken Advil, so I'm gonna do that in a minute. I remembered that my business class meeting thing was changed to today at 1:30, so I'm probably gonna spend the next few hours just going over notes and making sure everything is figured out and blah 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 blah. I have some cleaning up to do. Oh shit, my apartment's a disaster. Yeah, the place is kind of a mess. This is my art corner, which I'm hoping will be cleaned up next week when some family friends take my canvases and stuff for me. Then I gotta clean up my art section slash desk, whatever, put the dishes away, wash these dishes. I have some recycling to take out. I need to vacuum, maybe mop. Normally that's a Sunday thing, so I'll probably do that tomorrow, but I might get a head start today. Still need to make my bed because it's a disaster. And then I need some groceries, and I'm thinking I might brave actually going to the grocery store, but chances are I'm just gonna do Instacart. In case you didn't know this, I have major severe anxiety. I'm talking low level of anxiety. I get a severe migraine or short-term memory loss. And then severe anxiety, I have blackouts, and sometimes at a really, really severe scenario, temporary blindness. I literally go blind in one eye for an hour. And for some reason, the grocery store is a trigger. I mean, in defense of my anxiety, the oven is also a trigger, and I kind of have to use the oven to eat. So, yeah. Anyways, I've been trying to push through and do everyday things that should not trigger my anxiety, and it's been semi going okay. I'm able to use the oven for 10 minutes now before I start hallucinating smoke filling up my apartment, and then have to turn it off. On the bright side, I am really good at cooking meat on the stovetop and in the microwave, so yeah. No, I'm probably gonna do Instacart. Okay. I wanted to bake cookies at some point too, but I'm kind of thinking I might have to do microwave cookies, because seriously, I'm terrified of my oven. So yeah, anyways, that is it. That is my morning. I'm gonna enjoy my yogurt and strawberries and some coffee. That's probably gonna make the cramps worse. And then probably just watch Vlogmas on YouTube again, or Netflix. It's gonna be a weird morning. God, it is not gonna be fun walking to school on Monday. Oh wait, I don't have to walk on school on Monday. Yay! Oh wait, no, I have to go tomorrow. Damn. Either way, it's pretty. Okay, so it's almost 11. No, it is 11. Yay. Yeah, I've literally just been doing work and stuff on my computer. I got my presentation, like attempt 1 done, and I'm just waiting for the meeting to figure out what else to do. And I came over here to look at the snow when I realized my poor little baby is like dry. Like it's not dead, but it's so freaking dry, which makes no sense because I water them like all the time. But the poor baby was just like dying, and I realized it's because how cold it is here. It doesn't come in like the air, but like the window gets really, really cold itself. So like all this area is like freezing, and I guess it like dried out my poor baby. The other ones seem fine. I just need to water them today. But yeah, my poor baby. I'm just gonna be like majorly watering it until it comes back, and hopefully it's fine. I think it'll be fine. It's not the first time that it's like gone to this position. I think it's just like super temperamental. Like that is it. But it's not actually dead. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to add that. And then I'm watching Samantha Joe, who is the best person ever. I'm officially done my business class meeting. We figured out the paper, like the written report thingy, and then the presentation. So I'm just waiting for everyone to send me their clips of them like talking for the presentation so I can put it all into the video. And then I need to write the conclusion to the report like later. I'm still waiting for some of them to like go through and write their text, so probably do that like around 4ish, but it's almost 2, and I want to do some art because I need to go into the studio at some point this week so I can go and finish my painting because it is due on Friday, and it's a painting literally the size of me. Like it's a canvas like the size of me, and I don't even have an idea yet. So I need to figure out what the hell I'm doing. And then I probably need to bring it here so that I can work on it here and I don't have to keep walking back and forth to campus. Or I need to like walk back and forth to campus so I can go paint it, which I don't want to do because it's gonna be snowy, but then I'll have to walk with my canvas in the snow and it's not fun. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go change my water. And then I'm gonna be painting. I need to figure out what the hell I'm doing. Oh my god. Okay, it's almost 3 now. And I'm only just now getting to paint because I had to walk my group through how to do a voice recording without static. I literally told them in the meeting to go sit in a closet and use blankets and pillows to block out static that their phone would pick up from other devices or like just their apartment. Like even now you can probably hear static in my apartment, and that's without like my AC or anything running. It's literally just my phone picking up from my computer or like the fridge or something, right? 4 tries. I finally asked her just to send me a video of where she was and to show me exactly how she was doing it. She was sitting on the floor in the bathroom, her computer on a tile floor, her phone sitting on the toilet. No wonder there was echo and static. You get the echo from the freaking shower in the sink because it's concave and it has a porcelain surface, which causes echo. And then you have static coming from the computer that is echoing its static because it's sitting on a freaking porcelain floor. There's no like soundproofing or anything. Oh my god. I finally told her like strict instructions. Go sit in your closet or a small like confined space, use blankets and pillows to block out the sounds, like the feedback, all the static, whatever else. Put your computer on a pillow so that it doesn't echo its static. Have your phone on a flat surface that does not echo, so like a wooden surface or a book without a plastic cover. Oh my God, she finally did what I told her to do, what I said to do in the meeting like an hour ago, and it came out perfect. Why do people not just listen to me when I tell them to do something right when I tell you to do something? I'm not just telling you to do something to be mean or bossy or whatever else. I'm literally telling you to do something because that's how you do it. Oh. So yeah, I just wasted an hour on my phone trying to walk them through how to do it. And I still have 2 more people in my group who I just know aren't gonna go through the chat and read exactly what they need to do to have good audio, which means I'll get to re-explain it all again, and I have to have this video ready to go for Monday, and today is Saturday. Oh my God, I hate group projects so much, like so much. Oh my God, I need to get this done and figured out. This is one idea, literally one idea that I'm not even sure if I'm going to do, because I have no clue how to do abstract art. Like, I was literally just painting in class the other day. I just took whatever colors I had, all I had were the primary colors, and I just started putting paint to paper because I had no clue what to do. And what's amazing is this was literally just me messing around waiting for the gesso on my actual canvas to dry. And my professor kept approaching me and telling me, do not do that. Do not do that. So at least I know what not to do for my final project. Oh my God. Okay, first, sorry about the noise, but like laundry, whatever. So it's 4:30. I was sitting on the couch editing literally this vlog like right now because I'm waiting for my sketchbook to finish drying so I can do like more practices and whatever else. And I'm literally editing when I hear myself in the video say that I need groceries, and I'm like, oh shit, I needed groceries. So I just ordered groceries. I was gonna get, so that should be here by like 7ish. And I was gonna get fruit because I like to have like fruit. Obviously, I don't know what I was gonna add to that. Normally, I'll have either grapes or strawberries, and then I always have like apples and bananas. I ordered strawberries and they gave me a free cantaloupe. I don't think they actually gave me a cantaloupe. I think whoever got my groceries had like a mix-up. Anyways, I have a cantaloupe and I just remembered it. So now I'm gonna cut it up, or at least attempt to. This is the fun of my life. It's really not. These groceries like 20 minutes ago. I was told I wouldn't get them until like 7. It's 5 and I got my groceries already. How amazing is that? Okay, so little grocery haul, and then I'm probably gonna call it for tonight because like it's 5, it's dark, I'm not doing anything. I'm literally done for the night. Like, I'm watching Gilmore Girls and eating dinner. So, orange juice. My obsession. Well, not obsession, addiction. My other addiction, cranberry juice. And then, because I really want to bake, I don't care how much the oven freaks me out, I'm making cookies. So I got baking powder, some butter, margarine, no butter, and some brown sugar. And I'm gonna do chocolate chip cookie dough, but without the chocolate chips, and make a gingerbread house out of cookie dough. And then I'm also going to make sugar cookies. I don't know when this is happening, but I'm doing it. And I got icing, because why not? To be honest, I slightly have some cravings right now because of the time of the month. And there's very high chances I'm just gonna grab a spoon and eat this. No, that's literally what I'm gonna do. Okay. And that is it. I am done for the night. I am in for the night. I still have to write the conclusion to my business paper. I am so glad I just remembered that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.